Children, let's read and spell the words. A hat. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. The moon. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. A star. Star. S-T-A-R. Star. A tree. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Let's listen to the story. It is night time. The moon is high in the sky. The star still twinkles on the Christmas tree. Everyone gets his or her Christmas present. Gary has a toy car. Ada has a bear. Mike has a robot. He is still wearing a Christmas hat. Merry Christmas, says Mike. I love Christmas, but it is over now. Cheer up. New Year is coming. Oh, yes, says Mike. I love New Year. I love a New Year party. Happy New Year, everyone. Children, let's listen to the song.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Listen to the sound of the letter H. Let's say it. H. H. Let's say the words that begin with the sound. H. Hand. H. Hat.